Hi guys, I'm Rita and I am digital accountant. In today's episode, I will review Harpoon software, the next generation time tracking, billing and forecasting software for creative individuals or teams. So here are my points that I think you should be aware of or consider if this software will be right for you. Projects. So guys, this is a unique software that will best fit to a project-based businesses. If you are an event organizer, then this software will help you to keep you on a track on managing this project. So you can set a budget, invoice a client who will pay for this project, and add staff or contractors who can record their time on tasks they are working on, and of course record expenses. The client issued invoices and recorded expenses all need to be allocated to a project, so you can easily manage and control successful delivery of the project, and most importantly, how much money you will make from it. So is it profitable? Is it worth for you to take similar projects on in the future? Or also how you can do it better next time, not to make loss if you have made loss on this project. As I said, this is a project-based software. However, you can integrate it with QuickBooks or Xero's accounting software if you are reasonably, I would say, big business and you work on projects as well. So you can time track, invoice and forecast how this particular project are working or what it will be able to deliver to you. Time tracking. So guys, if you have this little friend, what you always keep on your desk, or you have a notepad to record your time, what you're working on your tasks on particular project, you can actually store them safely away because Harpoon software provides that functionality for you. So you do not need to look at your time when you actually started, note it down, and when you finished. The reason is that they have integrated timer in Harpoon software. You can start your task, adding description of course, allocate a particular project. Once you finished with that task, stop a timer and log your time. Also, there is an option to add a time manually, so you do not need to if you're working somewhere outside and there is no connection to an internet, you will be able to log this time manually afterwards. Also, just a note that if you have contractors working on a particular project, you can use the time logged as a source to actually pay them for the job what they have done. And not to exclude, to review and analyze what kind of tasks being performed for this particular project. If you have added an hourly rate, it will automatically show costs contributed to this project and time spent. So you can analyze and review this information. Time tracker is a very good feature on Harpoon software to use, so you know how much time you spend on particular task, and also recording what tasks need to be done to successfully complete this project. Fly to the moon. Flexibility. So if you are a freelancer or contractors who have been invited to join a project on Harpoon software, it's very easy and simple to sign up. You will receive email, click on link and register. All what you will need is just an internet connection and preferably a web browser. But if you are the actual owner of the project, you will be able to manage and review a progress of your project or even a multiple projects. Also, you will be able to invoice and record transactions from Harpoon software. Aside from all invoicing side and transactions, you can invite staff, additional team members to projects from wherever they are, so you do not need to source a talent just in your area. So you might have a staff member from other side of the world because their skill set is what you actually required for successfully complete your project. So this flexibility on convenience, okay, I don't know how to spell it, is, okay, let's start it again. So you can invite your additional team members based on their skill set, what you actually require for your project. So the team member might be from other side of the world, and this encourages remote working and also gives a flexibility for staff members to work at their pace and at their time, and within the deadlines. So there is no set hours in office to work for particular project if you are a like freelancer or business owner who doesn't require someone who sits a set hours in office. Multiple currencies. Harpoon software is a globally used software. So if you're worried that you will need to use this software just in dollars, don't worry. There is 20 currencies available for you to choose from, so it's in line with your freelancing or other project-based businesses that you are actually operating in. So yenas, dollars, well, dollars is kind of main currency on Harpoon software if you're looking at pricing, but also pounds, euros. Select one of 20 available ones and you can run your business wherever you are. So it is global software that doesn't operate in one currency. Mobile app. A sad news. Harpoon software doesn't have a mobile app, but you can actually log on your web browser on your phone and save Harpoon app as a quick link on your home screen on your mobile phone. The way how I've done, on my Apple phone, I logged on my Harpoon account on web browser, and at the bottom when you scroll you will see a share option, and when you click on that share button you will be able to add it to your home screen. And then once you have added it to your home screen, you will be able to access it quickly without going into your web browser and searching for it and then logging in. So that is the only way how you can add your Harpoon app on your mobile phone and use it. It has the same functionality. It might be sorted in different way instead of how you would have on your web browser on your laptop, but it has exactly the same functions, so there is nothing excluded. Pricing. The most important things that I want to tell about pricing model of Harpoon software is that it is based on team members or users. So if more users or team members is required, you will need to go for a next paid package, so more expensive package. So if you are a freelancer and you have no more than 3 clients, then starter package of $9 per month will suit you best. But this is just for you, for yourself. No other team members or users are allowed. So only you as a one user will be able to use for $9 per month as a price. If you need 2 users, you will need to go for, I think so it was freelancer package, and start using it. But then there is unlimited clients. So if you have partner in crime, you can utilize a second package of Harpoon software. Also, there is no free software package available on Harpoon software, so there is no free package at all. However, you can use 14 days trial to test and trial this software and decide if this will be a right fit. And you do not need to provide bank details to test and trial for 14 days this software. I have shared a link to this software in description section below, so you can test and trial yourself and decide if Harpoon software will be right fit for your business and for your future projects. Harpoon is time tracking and invoicing software that not only records your financial past, but also will help you to plan and forecast a profitable future. So set a goal and keep an eye on the projects with forecasting and budgeting tools that will actually help you to keep you on the track. If you really want to keep on top of your projects and manage those closely, then this software will fit you the best. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next episode.